Hey everyone, welcome back to our tech tutorial series. Today, we're diving into something super useful for 2025. How to set Google Photos as your default gallery app on your Android device. Whether you're tired of the stock gallery app or just want the seamless integration that Google Photos offers, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. It's a simple process that can make managing your photos way more efficient, especially with all the AI enhancements in the latest updates. First things first, make sure your device is running the latest version of Android, probably Android 15 or later for 2025. Open your Settings app. You can find it in your app drawer or by swiping down from the top and tapping the gear icon. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps or Apps and Notifications. This is where the magic happens. Next, look for Default Apps or Advanced under Apps and select it. Here, you'll see a list of app categories. Tap on Photo Viewer or Gallery. It might be labeled slightly differently based on your device manufacturer. Now, if Google Photos isn't already listed, you might need to go back and ensure it's installed and updated from the Google Play Store. Once you're in the right section, select Google Photos as your default option. Your device might prompt you to confirm this choice, so just tap Set as Default or Always. That's it. Now, whenever you open a photo from another app or your file manager, Google Photos will launch automatically. A quick tip. If you run into any issues, like permissions errors, head back to Settings, Apps, Google Photos, and make sure all necessary permissions are enabled, especially for storage and media. This is crucial for 2025's enhanced privacy features. There you have it. Setting Google Photos as your default gallery is straightforward and can really streamline your photo experience. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more 2025 tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.